Get ready to conquer any terrain with the 2024 Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE, the ultimate off-road machine. This bad boy is built to handle the toughest challenges with ease. The Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE is your ticket to off-road adventures like never before. Bring your crew along for the ride. With its roomy cabin and comfortable seating, the Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE ensures everyone enjoys the thrill of the journey. No obstacle can stop you now. The Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE's powerful engine and advanced suspension system deliver unrivaled performance on any surface. Load it up and hit the trail. The Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE's versatile cargo bed and impressive towing capacity let you bring along everything you need for your adventures. Stay connected and protected. The Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE is equipped with advanced technology and all-weather features that enhance your off-road experience. Unleash your off-road spirit with the 2024 Mule PRO-FXR 1000 LE. It's time to push the boundaries and embrace the thrill of off-road exploration.